In this American English pronunciation video, we're going to learn how to pronounce the ch and j consonants. The ch and j consonants are paired together because they take the same mouth position. Ch is unvoiced, meaning only air passes through the mouth, and j is voiced, meaning you make a sound with the vocal cords. J. These consonants have a stop consonant component, but unlike stop consonants, they're always released. They each contain two sounds. For the ch, we're combining the t, t, and the sh, sh, to make ch. For the j sound, we're combining d and j to make j. The teeth come together and the lips flare, just like in the sh and zh sounds. But the tongue position is like the t and d sounds. The tongue lifts so the front, flat part of the tongue touches the roof of the mouth. We stop the air in our throat and then we release everything. Ch, j. We release the air at the vocal cords, release the tongue down from the roof of the mouth, release the teeth so they part a little, and release the lips by relaxing them. Ch, j. Let's look at these sounds up close and in slow motion. The lips flare and the teeth come together. Then the release. The word jar. The lips flare and the teeth come together. Then release into the ah as in father vowel. The word chart. The lips flare and the teeth come together. Then release into the ah as in father vowel. The word batch. The lips flare and the teeth come together. Then release. The ch and j consonants. Jar, chart, batch. Example words. Practice with me. Chase, ch, chase. Attach, ch, attach. Teacher, ch, teacher. Danger, j, danger. Just, j, just. General, j, general.